Hello friends, welcome back to our help videos. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating the FeedAPIs for Bing Shopping app into your Shopify store. Let's get started. On the Shopify App Store page, search for FeedAPIs for Bing Shopping. You will see our app on the App Store page. Click on Install. Now, grant the required access to the app by clicking Install again. Next, you will be asked to sign in with Microsoft. Before proceeding with the integration process, please ensure that you have created a Microsoft advertising account and a Microsoft Merchant Center store. Now, click on Sign in with Microsoft to proceed with the integration. Please log in using the same account that you use to manage your Microsoft advertising account. In the next step, select your Microsoft advertising account and from the second drop-down, select the required Microsoft Merchant Center store. You will see multiple options if you have created more than one store. Click on Confirm and Continue. The app will now validate that your primary domain is verified and claimed in the Microsoft Merchant Center. On the next page, select the primary target market and content language to ensure that the feed is submitted to the correct audience on Microsoft Shopping, and click on Confirm Target Market. The primary target country options are based on your Shopify store's default currency. If your store's currency is US dollar, you will only see the list of countries where the US dollar is the official currency for the feed submission to the Microsoft Merchant Center store. Moving forward to the Sync Settings page. You can also switch to the Advanced Integration option if you wish to have more control over feed configuration settings. Select the options according to your preference and click on Save and Continue. Further, you can choose your preferred settings and select the product ID format. Click on Save and Continue. On the next page, you will be redirected to the dynamic remarketing and conversion tracking settings for Microsoft Advertising. This is essential to track user interactions and conversions on your website. If you have already set this up previously using any other app or manually, click on No, I have my own setup. If you have not done the tracking tags setup for Microsoft Advertising, then it is recommended to enable it from our app by clicking on the Yes, Let's Proceed button. Here, we are clicking on Yes, Let's Proceed. Once done, you will find the page for enabling the app embed option. This option allows our app to insert scripts into the Shopify theme page section. These scripts include tracking tags for any platform or meta tags for domain verification. To enable this, click on Activate App Embed Now, which will take you to the App Embed section of your Shopify store. The Microsoft UET Tag setup option will already be enabled, you just need to click the Save button. Once you save this setting, go back to the app interface and click on Recheck Status. This will now show you the options to enable conversion tracking tags, which will be implemented by our app. You can see, by default, all options are enabled. You can disable the ones that are not required based on your preference. However, we recommend keeping all goals enabled to ensure comprehensive tracking of your progress. Once done, click on Set up tracking tags to proceed. If you have a newly created Microsoft advertising account, you will need to create a new UET tag. Since we already have existing UET tags, we will select one from the drop-down. In the next section, you can either create a new conversion goal or select an existing goal. Here, we select an existing goal for each event category and continue. On the next page, you will see the Custom Pixels tracking page. This is required as Shopify has deprecated API calls for the script tags insertion feature on thank you or order status pages. Copy the Custom Pixels script and go to the Shopify store admin. From the Settings menu, navigate to the Customer Events section and click Add Custom Pixels. Enter the pixel name for your reference and paste the custom pixel code. Next, in the Customer Privacy section, you will find two options: Permission and Data Sale. In the Permission section, you will see Required and Not Required options. Select the Not Required option. From the top of the page, save the pixel. After saving the pixel, you see a disclaimer stating, "The pixel will not track any customer behavior." You can ignore this message, as event tracking will continue to function as expected. Now, click on Connect to link the pixel. Coming back to our app, select the checkbox and click on Set up Custom Pixels. To watch a detailed video on how to enable custom pixels, please check the link provided in the description below. You will be amazed to know that we also provide an option to manage Performance Max campaigns. You can either link an existing campaign or create a new PMAX campaign. Here, we are selecting an existing PMAX campaign. You can modify your campaign from here and click on Link Campaign. You will see that the campaign has been linked successfully. Now, go to the Manage Product page. Within 30 minutes, your products will be successfully submitted to your Microsoft advertising account. However, it takes around a couple of hours to be visible in the summary section of your Microsoft Merchant Center store. That's all about the Microsoft integration process for the FeedAPIs for Bing Shopping. Hope this helps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below or send an email to support@simprosys.com. Thank you for watching.